Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest, Mama Sigrid Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin yung sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is the monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guys ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos. Update ko. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na gumawa na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice here ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, ito na. Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin yan guys. Let's see and watch this. Okay, so this is something the Five of Pentacles. So some of you guys na nakakaranas sa financial crisis, no? Ngayon, no, maaaring bumabagal ang pasok ng pera sa iyo and there's something that's kind of happiness. But definitely guys, magiging masaya ka dito. No, magiging maligalig at magiging happy ka din, diba? And there's a Six of Cups, no? There's something, a past person coming back, or either there's something related with your friends, or either with your families, no? There's something, a reminiscence, guys, no? The Six of Cups, something, a past situation, I'd rather. And this is something, the Justice card, no? There's something, Justicia, na may mga bagay na pumabor na sa iyo sa sitwasyon mo, no? There's something, Karma. Let's see what is the additional messages. And this is something guys with a Wheel of Fortune. Now, there's something turning back. Now, meron talagang swerte na papasok dito na maaaring iikot ng kapalaran na maaaring pumabor na sa'yo. What is additional messages? So, there's a Three of Wands, waiting for ship, naghihintay ka na result document. Papers ay maaaring dumating na maaaring makakaalis ka na maaaring dumating na yung mga hinihintay mong pagkakataon. What is the Five of Pentacles? Representing the Five of Cups, no? There's something guys with a disappointment. Kumbaga parang nalulungkot ka, nagsisisi ka, bakit tuloy-tuloy yung paglabas ng pera sa'yo or maaaring nakakaranas ka ngayon ng pagtumal, pagbagal, ng pasok ng pera. Why? Why it's happening? Let's see what is the Ten of Cups. Represent with it something that's so pentacle with the balance. So kailangan mo maging balance emotional, physical, and mental. So let's see what is the Six of Cups. Represent with the Four of Wands, something celebration, homecoming, family gathering. Now, there's just something guys na maaaring uuwi ka na galing sa international or maaaring magkakasama na kayo ng anak mo, ng pamilya mo. No, let's see what is the Justice card. There is the Queen of Wands, something confident. Lakas ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, kailangan palabad ka dito. There's just something guys with the legal matters. No, kailangan kumbaga papabor sa iyo sitwasyon at maaaring manalo ka dyan sa kaso na inaakusa sa'yo. Let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. There is something that temperance, the perfect timing for you. No, kumbaga this is the moment guys, no? At umikot ang kapalaran, maaring ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon, maaring pagkaloob na sa'yo ang magandang kapalaran. So let's see what is the Three of Wands. Represent with the Nine of Pentacles with the financial windfall guys, no? Maaring lumago at lumakas ang finances, pero ito ninintay mo na pagkakataon, no, na maaaring lubago na. What is the Five of Pentacles because the Five of Cups? Represent with the Six of Wands for victory is yours, pero magtatagumpay ka pa rin. No? May mga bagay na magliliwanag sa'yo, bakit mo naranasan niyang mga financial na yan, na problema. What is the Ten of Cups because the Two of Cups? The Two of Pentacles. Represent with the Three of Cups, something celebration, na magkakaroon talaga ng celebration and happiness. What is the Six of Cups? Because the Four of Wands represent with the Strength card, confidence, no, lakasan mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, kailangan palabang ka dito. Let's see what is the Justice card because the Queen of Wands. The Justice and the Queen of Wands represent with the Nine of Cups with a wish fulfillment. May mga bagay na matutupad na dito. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan na dito. No, ito na yung matagal mo nang hinintay papabor na sa'yo sa sitwasyon mo. No? Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang lakas ng loob at tapang na harapin to. No? At magiging maganda ng kalalabasan dito at papabor sa'yo. No, ang sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo. What is the Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance? Represent with the Magician. So, this is a power of God. Wow! So, ibig sabihin dito, guys, lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa'yo, it's a God perfect timing. No, it's a God purpose. It's a God will. Let's see what is the Three of Wands because the Nine of Pentacles. There's a something, a Three of Swords. No, some of you guys, no, may mga bagay dito na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng heartbroken, heartbreak, or something pain. No? Let's see what is additional messages. So, parang hinihintay mo na parang hindi, parang ato siya. Parang hindi yun ang in-expect mo. Pero definitely, there's something blossoming. Maaring mas lalo siyang gumanda. No? Let's see what is additional messages for the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is something, the King of Pentacles. Just being secure. No, kailangan pangalagaan, protectionan mo yung bagay na meron ka. And this is a Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. No, kailangan mo mag-decision dito. No? And this is something the Emperor. Maging mature ka sa mga decision mo. Kailangan alam sa sarili mong grounds mo. And there's a Seven of Swords with the Sneakiness and the Lovers na maraming taong kumukuha ng impormasyon sa inyong dalawang mag-asawa na sa inyong relasyon. And there's a Death card with a transformation. Malaking pagbabago magaganap sa buhay nyo. Let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages for finances and career? And there's a Four of Pentacles, guys. Protect your power, protect your energy, protection at pangalagaan mo yung finances mo, resource of income mo. And there's something, guys, with the Two of Wands by choices. Pili mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lang sa'yo. What is additional messages? And there's something, the Knight of Swords. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights. Pagdating sa negosyo mo kasi nag-iisip ka, nag-overthink ka. Kasi marami kang bagay na gustong gawin. Marami kang bagay na gustong umpisahan. No? Negosyo, trabaho. What is additional messages about tayo sa health? As a love life muna. About sa love life, guys, there's the Sun card. No? There's a pure positive outcome. Magiging maganda ang kalalabasan dito at magiging maganda na ang iyong pagsasama. And this something, the King of Wands, something vision. Not kumbaga makikita nyo na magiging possibilities ang inyong pagsasama na nakakantong with a higher level of commitment. Let's see one more card, please. And there's a Eight of Cups, something ang moving forward na makakawala na kayo from toxic scenario or toxic situation. What is additional messages about sa health? And there's a Knight of Wands for slowly but sure na unti-unti nagiging maganda ng kalusugan mo dito. And there's something, the Judgment, no, for a wake-up call. Parang sinasabi na pay attention, umiwas ka sa mga bagay na bawal. No, yung mga bagay na nakakasama sa iyo. And there's something, the Page of Wands by good news. May magandang balita dito. Na may magandang informasyon na magdadala sa iyo ng magandang kalusugan. One more card to clarify. And this is something, guys, with the Kingman. No, some of you guys, lutang ka, balisa ka, malalaman mo kung saan to nanggagaling, kung bakit mo to nararamdaman. No, it's either over fatigue ka, no, kulang ka sa tulog, no, it's either mataas ang kaya kagantong lutang or something na nahihilo ka kasi mataas yung blood pressure mo, no? So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Pagdating naman tayo sa yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card represent what? Represent with the chemistry. Some of you guys may chemistry talaga kayo na person mo, no? And there's an attractions, no? Attracted talaga kayo sa isa't isa. No, iba yung atake nyo eh. And this is something spirit guides, no? There's a spiritual guidance na may gumagabay sa'yo, nagabay, and this is something is talk control, no? Control mo yung bunganga mo, no? Huwag ka maging madaldal or huwag ka nag-share ng kahit anong information, lalo-lalo na sa mga plano mo. What is the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities represent with a retreat, no? Kumbaga, disconnect from the world. No? Lahat ng mga bagay nito magagawa mo ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. And there's an healed. No? Lahat ng mga bagay nito mapangahawakan mo. At kailangan wag na wag mong bibitawan. This is something gentleness, no? Kailangan mo maging mahinahon, no? Kailangan demure lang ang atake mo dito. And there's a resilience sa something magtsatsaga ka sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. No, kontrolin mo yung tension mo, kontrolin mo yung bunganga mo, kontrolin mo yung bagay na ginagawa mo, no? Huwag kang maging aggressive. What is the magical fire messages? There's something spring with the blossoming, maaring lumago, lumakas na. Now, there's a vegetarian. Some of you guys, no, kailangan mo ng more veggies. No, more gulay ka muna. What is additional messages with the Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there's a heartbreak, no? Meron dito some of you guys, meron dito masasaktan, mabibigo. And this is something single, no? Not in relationship. Some of you guys single. And some of you guys, there's something feminine divine. Maaring, kumbaga, meron ditong kumbaga, self-love, no? Let's see what is additional messages with Archangel Michael messages for you. Honor and trust your feelings. Lagi mong pangangalagaan at paniniwalaan ang iyong nararamdaman. And there's an eternal love. Magkakaroon ka ng everlasting promises, guys. Ng higher level of commitment, ng lifetime partner, and new beginning and fresh start. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at panibagong pag-asa. What is the angel's answer represent what? Represent with the situation will improve. Na unti-unti na raw magbabago ang sitwasyon mo, and peaceful resolution, magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaang solusyon sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdadaanan mo, and there's a trust. So, kailangan mo magtiwala sa ating Panginoon, sa ating mga gabay. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's something, guys, with a double mission. No, dalawa ang mission mo dito, maging isang tumulong, no, sa mga tao na nangangailangan at tulungan ka, or either there's something, guys, na magiging maggagamot ka, or magiging or kailangan mo magpagamot, no? And there's something action and following intuition na kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, at kailangan mo magdesisyon. What is the Romance Angel represent what? And there's some healing family issues, no? Magkakaroon ng healing dito sa sigalot at parang pag-aaway ng both families, no? And this is something trust, na magkakaroon na ng tiwala sa isa't isa. What is the chakra messages? And there's a renewal. Magkakaroon na dito ng panibagong pag-asa at pagbabago. And there's a perseverance. Basta magtiyaga ka lang sa ginagawa mo, unti-unti nang babaguhin yung mga bagay na nakasanayan. And there's a mysticism. Maraming misteryo. There's something, a mystery of kingdom of God. Ito yung bagay na hindi mo palubos na nakikita. At unti-unti mo madidiscover sa lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo. What is additional messages? And this something blame. Na wala kang ibang sisisihin. No? It's a God purpose. Kailangan mo pagdaanan yan. And there's a courage. No? Ini-encourage ka dito na kailangan palaban ka, labanan mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Hindi pwedeng duwag sa pamilyang to. Ganon. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's the sun with the God energy. No? Mas lalong magiging maganda na ang kalalabasan nito. There's something positive outcome. No? And there's something silver with the goddess insight. Maraming pasilip sa iyo ang ating mga gabay na unti-unti mo nang masisilayan. No? Lahat ng mga pagbabago magaganap ngayong buwan na to. And this is something that change. Unti-unting babaguhin, no? Ang bagay na nasa kapalaran mo. No? Kumbaga, akala mo yan na yon, akala mo nakaranas ka na. Kaya nandito yung unang chart with the financial loss. Kasi dyan ito yung nararanasan mo ngayon na unti-unti nang magbabago, no? Ibig sabihin, unti-unti mo na mapagtatagumpayan how to handle your money, and of course, how to control your money, no? How to improve and develop your money, no? Kung mag-alam mo na kung paano mo i-manage at paano mo na kokontrolin, at paano mo na pagyayabungin ng iyong finances, at dito mo makikita unti-unti yung kaligayahan. Unti-unti mo makikita yung kasaganahan na yung dapat mata mo. What is additional messages? And improving health. No, mag-i-improve na rin ang kalusugan mo dito. You know why? Nag-pay attention ka na eh. No, umiiwas ka na sa mga bagay na bawal sa'yo. No? And there's a yoga. Kailangan mo na lang ng exercise, stretching, and there's a leadership, no? take charge of your situation. Kailangan mo pamunuan kung ano man yung sitwasyon na ginagagalawan mo. Now, you become a leader. You become boss someday. What is additional messages for the energy? And there's an angel of strength. Kailangan mo maging malakas at maging matibay dito. Binibigyan ka ng lakas ng loob at tapang, no? Kumpiyansa, and there's a strategy. No, gamitin mo itong, kumbaga, strategiya para may sakatuparan kung ano man yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Alam mo guys, ito yung pinakasusi dito, is your confident. No? Kailangan malakas ang loob mo, matapang ka. Kailangan palaban ka. What is the Monsology? Monsology represent take time to breathe out, no? Kailangan mo huminga pa rin, no? Hindi pwedeng nakatuto ka lang dyan sa sitwasyon mo. Kailangan mong mag-unwind, kailangan mong huminga, kailangan mo magpahinga, kailangan mong pag-isipan yung bawat action na gagawin mo. And there's an hold your vision. Lagi mong pangahawakan kung ano man yung mga bagay na nakikita mo, pangitain man yan, prediction, instinct. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, maniwala ka sa nararamdaman mo. Hindi ka ililigaw ng inner voice mo. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Do shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. Na mahalin mo ang ating Panginoon sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. Gawin mo siyang sentro sa buhay mo. At gagawin niyang paradise ang buhay mo. No? Pagagandahin niya, magiging masagana ang iyong pamumuhay at aalisin ka niya, no, sa sasadlakan mong sitwasyon. For an angel's number, represent what? For an angel's number, represent what? Okay, angel's number represent with a 999 with a lesson learned. Ibig sabihin, matuto ka sa leksyon na naranasan mo para hindi na maulit pa. Now, take stock for your accomplishment and how you arrive at them. This is a reminder to maintain optimism and drive towards your goal and maintain your momentum and know the powers of the heaven have your back. You made it and the reward goes to you. So, see? Kumbaga na sa likod mo lang at ating magamay, matuto ka lang, no, na lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, kailangan mong malaman yung kahalagahan yon, yung aral na binibigay nun. Kailangan mong matuto sa mga leksyon, matuto sa mga pinagdaanan mo, nang sa ganon, no, maging matagumpay ka sa harapin mong kinabukasan. What is the messages of life? Messages of life represent the hope, no? Huwag kang mag-alala, no? Hindi ka mawawala ng pag-asa at may pag-asa pang masisilayan mong magandang kinabukasan. As I enter the great school of life, I hold tight to the faith in God. God loves me, guides me in every situation I encounter. Regardless of what I confront, I trust in the true nature. Today I welcome life. I know the light will always return. And there will always be infinite possibilities for me. So, alam mo sa sarili mo na, kala mo, sa daming dumarating sa buhay mo, no? Kumbaga, dumarating sa punto na kala mo wala ka ng pag-asa. Nakala mo hanggang doon na lang, pero there's something that God will provide. No? Binibigyan ka ng pag-asa. Ang gusto lang ng ating Panginoon, matuto ka sa lahat ng mga bagay pagkakamali na nagawa mo. Matuto kang tanggapin yung mga bagay na ipagkakaloob sa'yo. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of. For the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kung lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos. Update ko sa maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalaan kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig na gumawa ng biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!